Well, and there's a term for that, but what it basically means is it was dismissed because the complaining witness did not show up. Now, afterwards, the attorney had mentioned that, and when it's dismissed,
Better good.
it's really dismissed for 160 days. So they can refile it anytime within the next 160 days. And that's a possibility. Nance's attorney did say, hey, I'll call you, let you know what really happened here. Now, something else, and this is new to Nance, that Juanita stayed in court a little longer than us, and Joe Cicala and the state's attorney were talking, and another date came up. So there may be a buddy element that's going on there in that space. But I still think that her attorney is going to go in there and defend her rights very, very well and stand up for Nance as best as possible. But for today, when we left the courtroom, our expectation is it's dismissed. There is a possibility that they can, for 160 days, they can reclaim the case. They can reignite or restart the case in this situation.
They're saying, no way you won this, Nance. I wouldn't say that just yet. But it's good that he didn't show. I didn't think that he would show, him being a staff person at the there. So, yeah.
I'd be curious if Mr. Cicala recognized me because I caught him in the alley.
Yes, just
on his son's
2
wedding
days
this
ago,
past day.
Saturday.
Correct.
Right. And so we're not sure if he actually has a license. That's something that we're going to look into too, because he may have not have been practicing for a while. And if he doesn't have a license and acted as a lawyer today, he's going to be in big trouble.
Absolutely correct.
So so far so good with news, but I'm curious to hear about what Juanita said about hearing about another date between the lawyers. I'll give another update once I know that. I'm going to be talking to my lawyer a little bit later. So that's